Them say me aim too high, like star we can't touch sky. Them build the wall so steep, but me find my wings and fly. Each tumble where my face, a lesson for me soul. The road rough, but my heart now buckle under the toll. Them doubt my strength, them no see the fire blaze. Every fall me take, me rise and next fears. The darkest part of the one me have to chat, but the light over the hill remind me say me glad. We have to make it, the fire can't cool. The spirit where me carry no learn fi lose. We have to make it, we rise above the pain. The vision clear, success hard again. Them want me fool, but me too strong for break. Every word where them fling, me take it and create. The ashes of my past are the roots of my plan. From the dust me emerge, a different man. Each know me here, a letter to my peak. Them now see the glory, only the tears will streak. Me nah give up, though the odds say me should. The fighting in my veins say greatness in my blood. We have to make it, the fire can't cool. The spirit where me carry no learn to lose. We have to make it, we rise above the pain. The vision clear, success hard again. Them silence can't conquer the voice where me own. The stone them fling on my crown for the throne. The rain where them call storm on me show off grow. Each trial a reminder say me still have a glow. Them no see the scars, but me wear them proud. Each one a testament, me rise above the cloud. The whispers of doubt not drown me roar, but destiny a call me ready for explore. We have to make it, the fire can't cool. The spirit where me carry no learn to lose. We have to make it, we rise above the pain. Vision clear, success hard again. For every dreamer with them on the climb. The timing no matter, success always find. We have to make it, no matter what them say. The future bright, down we carving with way.